Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by authorizing both services. Connect your Google account to the Notion integration or third-party tool. Grant calendar and calendar event scopes. Create a Notion database configured as a calendar or add date properties that match Google fields. Once done, make sure your Notion workspace has the integration installed and the calendar database shared with it. These steps let the sync tool read and write events, which prevents permission errors later in the flow. Now configure how data moves. In your integration or automation builder, map Notion properties, title, date, description, attendees, to the matching Google Calendar fields so entries look right. Choose sync direction. Push from Notion to Google for publishing events, or enable two-way sync if you need edits reflected both ways. Set a conflict rule like latest edit wins. Add filters to avoid syncing drafts or private pages. Finally, complete the setup by running comprehensive tests. Create, update, and delete events in both systems to confirm behavior matches your direction and conflict rules. Monitor for time zone or duplicate issues. Make sure both sides use the same zone and that your automation respects unique ID. If sync fails, reauthorize the integration first, then inspect logs for rate limits or permission denials. As one key troubleshooting tip, disable complex filters and rerun a small batch. Simplification often exposes the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.